Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Back to School DIYs. In today's episode, we are going to make another diary. So let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you will get notified about my future videos. You are going to need are a 8.5 into 13-inch piece of resin or leather. You can find it on fabric store who deals with upholstery fabric. Beside that, you need thread and needle, a A4 size paper, scissors and glue gun. Firstly, fold the pages in half. I take almost 24 pages for my notebook. Now, separate the group of 6 pages, it would make 4 groups. Put them together to form a section for a diary. Now mark the sheets to stitch them together. I start marking on 1 inch from the corner, then 2 inch from the first point. Do the same from the other side. You have 4 marks in total. Also mark the other sheets at the same point. It's time to stitch. First, you take the thread and needle and put the needle through the first mark and bring it out from the second. And again, put it through the third one and bring it out from the fourth one. Do the same with the next sheet, but at the end of the second sheet, loop it with the start of the first one. I'm adding here a reference image so you can understand it better. Now, take the fabric, place the sheet on the fabric and adjust it according to your desire. Then, glue it with the hot glue. After that, I take a long strip of fabric and cut it in half from the center, leaving an inch or so. Also cut the slit in the cover for the strip. Tie the strip through the slit. At last, I end the beautiful flower charm at the end of the strip so you can close the diary. If you like our video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you will get notified about our future videos. Bye!